Can you spot the red flags of investment fraud? Knowing some of the telltale signs of investment fraud can help you protect yourself and your money from fraud. Meet John. John is always on the lookout for a new investment opportunity. John is a DIY investor who researches and manages all of his own investments. John is part of a local investing group on Facebook, where he discusses investments with other people that live in his community. Through the group, John meets Tim. Tim tells John about a great new investment opportunity he is offering, which will deliver very strong returns. John is surprised that Tim is selling the investment himself. John knows that anyone offering an investment must be registered with a provincial or territorial securities regulator and may be required to file a prospectus for their investment. John decides to look Tim up on the National Registration Database at www.aretheyregistered.ca. Tim does not appear in the database, and after checking with his local securities regulator, there is no prospectus for Tim's investment, and there are no exemptions available to Tim to avoid filing a prospectus or to avoid the registration requirement. Should John invest with Tim? Did you spot the red flag? The person offering the investment opportunity is not registered with the securities regulator. Anyone selling securities or offering investment opportunities that would be considered securities must be registered with a securities regulator. If someone is offering you investment is not registered, they have no oversight from regulators, and there's no guarantee their investment is legitimate. If anyone is offering you investments or investment advice, be sure to check their registration. To learn more about investment fraud and other investment topics, visit our website at nssc.novascotia.ca and follow us on Twitter at NSS Commission.